know. Oh, hi.
I still see your shadows in my room. I can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I'm the better one. Won't let you forget me. I still see your shadows in my room. I can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I'm the better one. Won't let you forget me. You left me falling and landing inside my grave. I know that you want me dead.
5 minutes later.
I take prescription.
How do I open it?
1 hour later.
This is so hard to open. I think I need something to open it. I don't think, but I think it's like this. It's not opening! Open right now, egg! Can you open, please? Can someone tell me how to open this?
24 hours later.
Okay, now I open the crack. Egg? Okay, let's see what it is. Wait, what is it? I can't see. Oh no, why is it always stuck? Okay, let's see what do we get. Oh, it's a cute puppy. Wait, put this out of the way. Look, we got a little puppy. Okay, so here is the accessories. They're so cute. There's a skirt. Here and a sandal. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna put it.
Moments later.
Okay, let's put the skirt on. Oh no, I don't know how to put it on. Oh no, the tail! The tail is making it stuck. Wait, how do you put this on? Maybe put it on like this? Okay, like this. I think it's like this. Okay, let's put it in the stand. Oh, why is it always stuck? Okay. And the camera is so glitchy. Can someone tell me what is this dog doing? I don't know what is it doing. It's so cool. So cool. It's like Christmas. Okay, let's see in the collector's cards. A green one right here. Got this one, and this is what we got. If you can see it, just type it in the comments, please. Is it Frosty Buffalo? I don't know, but I think we got that one. Let me see. Oh yeah, it is! Oh, he's so glittery. He has wings. Wings. Wait, can you see the wings, guys? Wait. There. Can you see the wings? He says, "Hello, nice to meet you." I'm dancing, but I don't know what it's called. Can you help me leave in the comments, please? You know what I'm dancing. But am I cute? He's so cute. And he's also so glittery. Okay guys, that's all. Bye! Subscribe to this channel and I'll open some more later.